I saw a lot of posts on Twitter lately about people making amazing websites in just one shot using Gemini 3.1. Honestly, I thought it was just hype. In the tech world, we hear about these things all the time, and usually the results are not actually that good when you test them yourself. Most of the time, the code is broken, or the design looks like a basic template from 10 years ago. But then I saw some real examples of a luxury real estate site, and I was honestly shocked. The animations were smooth, the design was clean, and it looked like a professional designer had spent weeks on it. So I decided to stop being a skeptic and I tested it myself. I tried to build Aura Estate, a high-end platform for luxury property intelligence. What I found out changed my mind completely. Today, I'm going to show you the exact prompt I used and the full process so you can do it too. Before we look at the prompt, let's talk about why this is actually different from other AI tools. Usually when an AI builds a website, it looks very stiff and boring, but Gemini 3.1 understands modern design trends. The site I made, Aura Estate, has these cool glass morphism effects and smooth scroll animations. It uses a professional tech stack like React and Tailwind CSS, but the best part is that you don't need to know how to code at all. It's not just writing basic text, it's building a complete user experience. As someone who has worked in web design before, seeing this happen in just 60 seconds is a bit crazy. It means the gap between a professional designer and a regular user is almost gone now. Let's break down the prompt. This is the most important part of the video. I didn't just ask Gemini to make a real estate site. If you do that, you will get a very bad result. Instead, I told Gemini to act like a world-class senior creative technologist. I gave it a very specific identity. I described Aura Estate as a mix between a high-tech research lab and a luxury magazine. This helps the AI understand that I want something clean, sharp, and expensive looking. I asked for precision portfolio intelligence for ultra-prime properties. When you paste this prompt into Gemini, you will see the code starting to flow. It automatically builds the navigation menu, the hero section, and the layout for your services. It even picks the right fonts, a mix of serif and sans serif, to give it that premium look that brands like Apple use. Now, let's look at the actual results. Once the code is ready, you can preview it. Look at these specific details. There's a section with blinking code and live data effects that makes the site look very advanced. The boxes on the screen actually glow and change when you move your mouse over them. Usually a developer would have to write a lot of complex CSS and JavaScript to get that right, but Gemini did it in one shot. Every part of the page feels like it was made with a purpose. It doesn't feel like a cheap copy. It feels like a custom build for a multi-million-dollar company. The quality is honestly better than what most agencies would deliver for thousands of dollars. Does this mean the traditional way of building websites is over? In many ways, yes. You don't have to follow a long 17-step design process anymore. You don't have to spend weeks on wireframes and mission statements. You just use a high-level prompt, tell Gemini what you want to change, and it gives you a fresh version every time. This used to be a very expensive business, but now the technology has made it accessible to everyone. You can use this to build landing pages for your own ideas, or you can even use it to help other businesses who need a better online presence. You can show a client a finished high-end demo before they even sign a contract with you. If you are wondering how to actually put these websites on the internet, don't worry, it's very simple. You don't need to buy expensive hosting right away. You can use platforms like Netlify or Vercel. They have hobby plans that are completely free. You just take the code Gemini gives you, upload it, and your site is live with a proper link. You can even ask Gemini, can you give me the steps to host this on Vercel? And it will guide you through the whole thing. The technical wall that used to stop people from building things is officially gone. The only thing that matters now is how well you can describe your vision. So, what is the lesson here? The lesson is that high-end design is no longer a secret skill. It's something you can generate if you know how to talk to the AI. You can run many different prompts at the same time and create dozens of different designs in one afternoon. You can test different brand names, different colors, and different styles until you find the perfect one. It's a huge shortcut for entrepreneurs and creators who want to move fast. I have put the full Aura Estate prompt in the description box below this video. You can copy it, change the name of the business, and see what it creates for you. Don't let anyone tell you that this is too complicated to learn. It's literally just about having the right instructions. Start building your own professional websites today and see the results for yourself. If you want to keep learning how to use these AI tools to stay ahead of the competition, make sure you subscribe to Ya Malik AI and join the free school community. The link is in the description. I will be sharing more prompts and more workflows there in community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.